Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today's video is not a recipe video, it's an informative video related to cooking and baking. It's about difference between baking powder and baking soda. As you can see in the screen, the activation with baking soda happens immediately and it's stronger, whereas with baking powder it's milder and it takes some time. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, reacts immediately when mixed with acids like lemon juice, vinegar, or buttermilk, producing carbon dioxide gas, and this results in your baked goods to rise. So, one thing that you should remember is you need to place your food item that has to be baked immediately into the preheated oven as soon as baking soda is mixed. As mentioned earlier, baking powder doesn't react immediately. Baking powder has three components. When baking powder is exposed to heat, the starches break down and the acid and base react, forming carbon dioxide gas. This gas, when it is released, it causes the dough or batter to expand and rise. So now you might be confused which baking agent to choose while baking your cakes and cookies. So if you need light and fluffy cakes or an even rise for your baked food item, you should use baking powder. But at the same time, you need dense cakes or chewy cookies or crisp and browned cookies, you should use baking soda. Now you might be thinking that there are some recipes which require both. These are pancakes, muffins, loaf cakes, etc., which require perfect balance of rise, texture and flavor. Hence we use baking powder and baking soda as well. Now note these points while using baking powder in baking. Use a correct ratio of baking powder to flour. Mix baking powder with dry ingredients before adding liquids. Avoid overmixing as this can cause baking powder to lose its potency. While using baking soda, remember to use it in moderation as excessive amounts can leave a soapy or metallic taste. Hope your queries are clear. If you have any more doubts, please do ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.